Hello. Today I wanted to give you an iPad tip that I've been asked about a lot lately, and it is this little floating guide that I use to point to things in my tutorial. This isn't a special extension, not a special app, it's actually built right into your iPad. To turn this on, which is called Touch Assist, I go into Settings, and then on the left I find Accessibility, then I'm going to Touch, and Assistive Touch is what we're looking for. As soon as you go into Assistive Touch, you will toggle that on. When I toggle it back on, I get that little floating pointer. And what it's actually used for are those people that need help with gestures. So I tap that, and you can see it has multiple gestures that I can customize. But what I'm really using it for is to show you that you can find that in settings, or I'd like you to open Class Dojo, or go to Notability, and then when you go to Notability, I need you to get a blue pen to start writing, etc., etc. So that's Assistive Touch, and you can use that to your advantage in tutorials like this one to point out various tools and to call attention to things that you need attention called to. I hope that this tip and tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.